This is Nike on the 5-minute time frame. I'm going to show you the channel we are in for Wednesday. I want to thank Marat for pointing out this stock. The company reports earnings on Thursday, and there are many gaps to the north side and to the south side, which I will show you in just a moment. Now, to the north side from where we are, which is right here, that would be 2 standard deviations, and that takes us to roughly 115.25. Note the gap that forms at roughly 115.23 on our way up. 3 standard deviations is roughly 116.08. 4 standard deviations is roughly 116.93. That gap closes out at roughly 118.47. There are more gaps to the north side, but we are not in that channel yet. Now, to the south side, a gap forms at roughly 112.43, closes out at roughly 112.16, and negative 2 standard deviations is 111.95, 111.12, and 110.33. Note the gaps over here that closed at 110.23 looking back. This one closed out at 112.67. This one closed out to the north side at 113.47. Now, to the gaps to the south side, there are a lot of landmines here. So if you like to go short, plenty of opportunities. Now, this one forms at roughly 107.47, closes out at roughly 106.77. And this one forms at 106.15 and closes out at 103.96. And I'm not done yet. Wait for it. Here we go. This one forms at roughly $100.12 and closes out at 99.66. And that gap formed, let me see if I can find it. Oh, it won't. Well, it keeps going back. I'll check this out in a different time frame, but it's a very old gap that formed that has not closed out. Let me show you the RSI. On the 5-minute time frame, we are headed south and looking at about 40 and on our way possibly to 30. If we do hit this level, I will anticipate a bounce as people buy the dip. And right now, we are sitting at the middle of the trend, but we were up here previously, went down, bounced back up, and went down. So we are now sitting at support. So if we cannot hold the support, the next target will be down here. And if we get to this level, I will anticipate a bounce as people buy the dip. This is a buy zone, and another buy zone. And I would watch the RSI and the MACD to see the buy and sell signals if you're trading or you're doing a swing trade. But if you are trying to buy in and build a position, I think I would wait to get the price down here before I get in. I did buy some shares at roughly 108.40 for my mom, and this is a long-term play for me. So if it should go down, I will buy more shares as well. And let me show you what this looks like on the daily time frame. We are sitting right about here. 113.61 takes us right there. We are not even at the middle of the trend on the daily. So to the north side, that would take us to 116.91. And on TradingView, when I last looked at it on May 23rd, the price target was 136.43. The price target has now come down to 132.79. And from where we are, that would represent a 16%, almost 17% return on your money, which isn't too shabby. That definitely beats the bank all day long. But see that gap right here? That began on November of 2022. So it's been quite a while. So If we play this range on the daily, we will get to there eventually, but we will have to wait and see. That is a look at Nike. If there is a stock that you would like me to go over, please let me know. And thank you so much for watching.